How can you resist the opportunity to taste test a craft cocktail that is inspired by the Caribbean? Today, we are experiencing some flavor combinations that you can taste in the new drink menu and explore all of the flavors once aboard Royal Caribbean. A little booze, a little fruit, and some fruit juice, and oh, a couple of mojitos as well. How can we say no to that? We are taste testing to our satisfaction these top 5 new drinks that you should try on your next Royal Caribbean cruise. But don't stop there. Even though we just try 5, there are 27 new drinks on Royal Caribbean's new beverage menu. So let's get started with the guide. Alright, so we are taste testing these brand new Royal Caribbean beverages right now. So I have the Strawberry Blonde, and it has Tito's vodka in it, along with Saint Germain liqueur, strawberry mint, and some lemon juice. It is very awakening type of taste. It tastes a bit like grapefruit to me, but that's not an ingredient. It's very tasty. This drink is $13, and it is like very bright, very like, you take a sip and you're like, oh, it's tasty though, I like it. Cheers. And with everything in life, we need to have a little bit of balance. So next up, we're gonna have a non-alcoholic drink. This is a blueberry mojito. So of course, there's blueberry, simple syrup, lime, and mint. Cheers. Even before I tasted it, I smelled it, and this is really good. You can definitely taste the blueberry with the blueberry syrup. Oh, I like this so far. Even though that it's a non-alcoholic, it's really tasty and it's not too sweet. Oh, this is nice. The lime juice adds a really nice like balance to the drink. Alright, so that blueberry mojito is really delicious. This is one drink that I might actually make into a alcoholic beverage instead of a non-alcoholic beverage because how tasty it is. You could go either way, throw some white rum in there and enjoy how delicious it is. Alright, so our next drink is from Barbados. It is the rum punch. Had a little taste, and it is a little bit strong. It has Kraken in it, so it's that spiced rum with Captain Morgan, passion fruit syrup, pineapple juice, lime juice, and that black and spiced rum is the Kraken. So it is tasty. It's tasty, but not my favorite so far. It's good, but not my favorite. Next up is the next non-alcoholic drink. So this is a take on the Shirley Temple. First impressions. It has, let's see here, grenadine, orange juice, lime juice, and ginger ale. Retails for $7, and it's nice. I taste the orange juice. This is non-alcoholic, so it's a refreshing one. Another one that kind of like wakes up your taste buds in a sense. I like it. This is one that I would also recommend if you wanted to make it alcoholic. It would totally be a nice alcoholic drink as well, but being non-alcoholic, it's tasty. Next up, we have the Passion Spritz. So we have sparkling wine in here, some passion fruit, some oranges and limes as well. Oh, this is nice. Okay, I could drink this by the pool. I could drink this at dinner. This is a nice little taste here. I like the sparkling wine in here as well. That gives some nice texture. Is that weird for a drink? Giving it some texture? I really like it. Cheers. Cheers! Woohoo! All right, friends, so that is my review of 5 new beverages aboard Royal Caribbean with the non-alcoholic and alcoholic beverages. I went ahead and ordered the blueberry mojito one more time because it is delicious. So cheers to you. Let me know in the comments down below which beverage you would like to try and order on your next Royal Caribbean cruise. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you get to cruise real soon and taste these delicious beverages. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, ciao for now.